Okay, the subject is demand for white paper on the renovation of Kala Academy, Panjim. And second request is request for appointment to discuss the shabby conditions of the renovated Kala Academy, Goa. Dear sir, the artist community of Goa is deeply concerned that the iconic complex of Kala Academy of Goa at Panjim is presently in shambles, even after shutdown for over 3 years of renovation. When it was partially opened up for cultural performances, the artists found that not only was the structure leaking, but the infrastructural facilities such as sound, lights and acoustics have been replaced with low quality material and equipment, making it difficult to have smooth and quality performances. The artists who have performed in the auditorium after the renovation thus find it particularly impossible to give off their best in the circumstances. They are of the firm opinion that the facilities, equipment and the overall environment of Kala Academy was of a much better quality before the renovation. Angered over the shocking state of our beloved art complex, which every Goan was fond of, artists from across Goa gathered at Panjim on 17 June 2024 to discuss the issue. Renowned architects belonging to the Charles Correa Foundation, who have publicly objected to the substandard quality of the construction and renovation work, were also invited to discuss to explain the technical aspects. After hearing the woes of the artists, the meeting realized that the issue is deep-rooted, with the possibility of scandalous and corrupt practices having taken a toll of the quality and reliability of the work done. Artists also raised questions over the structural changes made to accommodate the International Film Festival of India 2004 in the Kala Academy. It was from this time that the complex started deteriorating. It was thus felt by all present at the meeting that only a white paper of this entire sequence of events, including the collapsed roof of the open-air auditorium, would uncover the hidden truth behind the decimation of Kala Academy as the cultural and artistic center of Goa. It was also proposed and accepted that the white paper should be prepared by a committee of experts headed by retired High Court judge. The meeting unanimously dissolved to demand that the Chief Minister should, and early as possible, publish this white paper. Further,
कला राखण मान ह्या नावान आमची एक संघटना उभी झाल्या. कला अकादमीची जी वास्तू आशिल्ली ती ह्या कोणे दुष्टांनी मोडून उडयल्या. आज वेळ जगात कितलेशेच कलाकार दिले, व्हडले व्हडले हस्ती दिल्यो. ही कला अकादमी ह्या मिनिस्टरांनी नाका जाल्लो भ्रष्टाचार करून काबार केल्या. विकास सालवार करपा खातीर गोंयचे तरणाटे कलाकार एकठांय आयल्या. पूण अजूनय कितल्याशा कलाकारांच्या मनात भिरांत आसा. त्या कलाकाराच्या मनातली भिरांत मातशी कुशीक काड आणि तुजी राखण करपाची ताकद, इच्छा प्रत्येक गोंयकाराच्या, प्रत्येक कलाकाराच्या आंगात घुसय आणि तुका सालवार करपाची शक्ती दी आणि जी कला अकादमी भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकरांनी दिल्ली चार्ल्स कुरैयान सजयल्ली तशाक तशी कला अकादमी गोंयान आणि या देशाक दिवपाक आमकां मदत कर आणि जाणे जाणे कोणे भ्रष्टाचार करून पैसो खाल्ला तेका तो पसपाक दिवं नाका आणि कला अकादमी आसा तशी बरी करून कलाकारांचे कल्याण कर गोंयचे कल्याण कर आणि बरे कर गोविंदा गोविंदा
यांना फुट बाहेर राहते
कला राखण मंच गोवा ह्या संघटनेचे जे काम जे आसा सरकाराकडे मागपाचें की आमची कला अकादमी आमकां आशिल्ली तशी करून दिया 3 वर्सां गेली कला अकादमी ही बंद आसा ती उक्ती करून दिया तिच्या आंगाक खांद्यार खेळपाक आमच्या कलाकारांक तुमी वाव दिया आणि जे कितें ह्या कला अकादमीच्या संदर्भात वाद संवाद परिसंवाद जे कितें जाता ते काबार करून हांगा ही कला अकादमी बरी जावपा खातीर म्हणून एक मागणें करपा खातीर आमी आतां माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन वयता आणि हे जे शिष्टमंडळ आसा आयचें जें आसा हें सिंबॉलीक आसा प्रतिकात्मक अशें आयचो जो सुरवात जी आसा ती केल्ली आसा गोंयभर ही आतां सांगल्या प्रमाणे तिकीट जी आसा ती मशाल जातली आनी मशालीचो उजो जावंक दिवया नाका अशें म्हणून आमी माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन आतां निवेदन घेवन वयता आणि तेणी हितून स्वता जातीन लक्ष घालून ही कला अकादमी जी आसा ही आमच्या खातीर उक्ती करून दिवची अशा प्रकारचें एक निवेदन आतां आमी तांकां वचून तेंच्या कार्यालयान दिवपाचें आसा आणि त्यानंतर तें निवेदन आमी तुमच्या पर्यंत पावयतले जशें थंय इन्वॉल्व जाले
तुम्ही हेजे सेक्रेटरी
निमंत्रण
पण तुम्ही चलोन वयतले काय तशें
ना गाडी